Hi guys, we're going to make our Volcano Foldable today together. So first what we need to do is on our learning plan lesson, we're going to grab our foldable here and we're going to print this off. Okay, so once you print this off, you don't need the last 2 pages there if you don't want. But you should have your papers here. In addition to the papers, you're going to need something to color it, some glue, scissors, and something to write with. So first thing you want to do is print and cut out this page here, types of volcanoes. You're going to cut on just this outside here. And then this one too, types of volcanoes key. You're just going to cut on the outside edges there as well. So what you'll end up having is something like this and something like this. All right, after you've done that, we are going to put these 2 together. So they should line up. So one is on the outside and then this one is on the inside. Okay. So this dotted line here here is where you should fold it in. So then you fold them both together, and then when you open it, you should have like the key there. Okay, so I'm gonna glue this together and I'll be right back. Okay, so I glued them together. So this is the front, and then when you open it, it looks like this. And then glue here is just on the back. So if yours is like mine, it doesn't exactly line up, but that's okay. I'm actually just going to trim what I can because that's just what I want to do. And yeah, so now it lines up a little bit better. And now what we're going to do is these lines on the outside here line up with lines on the inside here. So I'm just going to cut along the solid lines. Only on this one side. So now when I fold it here, I can just pick up one flap at a time. And I can read about a lava dome volcano, a shield volcano, cinder cone, and composite or stratovolcano. And then I can kind of see what each of them, one at a time. Okay, so now we're going to kind of put that aside. Then we're going to go to this page here. So we're going to label the features of a volcano. So you actually have a key. So if you want to copy the key in your own handwriting, or cut and paste or whatever, but I would prefer if you did this in your own handwriting to try to help you remember some of the aspects of a volcano. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll be right back to show you. Okay, so labeled, and I added a little bit of color. If I did it, you can do it too. Okay, I used 2 colors, so color it. Then I'm going to cut it out just kind of along here, and then I'm going to cut it along this line here, but I'm going to keep this little strip here so I can fold that in. I'll show you what that looks like in a second. Okay, so you're going to look something like this, and then I just folded on this line here. So there's like a solid line here, and what it is, just folded it right on there. Okay, and now if you have, a notebook, your science notebook, or the journal that we made on week 1, or if you don't, I just grabbed another piece of paper so I can put this all together. So I'm just going to glue both of these on the sheet. This glue is going to go right here for this one so I can lift it up, and then glue is going to go all the way on the back here. So I will show you what that looks like in a minute. Okay, So here is my final foldable here. So I have the parts of my volcano, and then I have all the different types, and I just color coded them. You can see that, color coded. The front there, make sure my name's on it. Okay, take a picture and send it to me. I can't wait to see what you guys have done. Okay? All right, email me with questions. Bye.